Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it is the number 138. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This is of course the number 138. But well, if you would like to see the previous 137, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well, here we have the dollhouse open, how it will look once we have it finished. And of course, this collection is from Editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. Let's see. And here it shows a modern bedroom. They're really showing everything with this collection, really, which is kind of neat. And alright, so over here it shows us that we are going to be getting this wooden piece, which I will show you in just a moment. And then it walks you through all of the steps of how to add it to the dollhouse. But don't worry guys, because once we have the entire collection, I will be walking you through how to do each one of these projects, and we will be building the dollhouse together. So make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell, so that way you'll be able to come along for the ride and you will not want to miss it. So make sure to hit the bell. And well, that's the end of that. Here we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, this collection is from Editorial Salvat, as I said before. And guys, now it is time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so first up, we got this new wooden piece for the dollhouse. It's a bit long, but not super long. Well, I'm going to put that to the side for now so we can see some of the other things that we got. Let's see if we can't open this up. Alright, there we go. Aw, nice. We have this little, I don't know, like a doll blanket for the house. It looks really cute. It's this soft pink color with white edging around the outside. And here's the back. It's very sweet. And then the last thing that we got is this little pink and gold bauble. Let me just take it out here a second. There we go. Little black top at up here. The bottom is also painted pink. Well, that's the end of that. You guys tell us, what do you guys think about this number? The number 138. Tell us down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever it's your new live stream. And of course, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, all of that linked down in the description below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coast with Parchinair. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.